Hi, I'm Sonal. I work with Freedom Tree as brand custodian. Freedom Tree is a design studio based out of Mumbai. We're all about bold and fresh colors and products. We design with all our heart and soul uh, for modern India. Freedom Trees started as a consultancy studio, and then over past 10 to 11 years, we've grown into a huge brand. So we're known for our color aesthetics and bold prints. All our products are designed in house, made in India. Source all the raw material and everything is sourced in India. We have production centers all over India, but our main manufacturing happens in Mumbai. The store was founded by Latika Khosla, who is a very well-known color strategist, and is and has been working for the past 30 years, more than 30 years in the industry. We have 5 stores in India, the 5th store being the Hyderabad store. There are 2 stores in Mumbai, a flagship store in Mahalakshmi and there's another store in Bandra. Then we have a store in Goa and then in the Silicon City of India, Bangalore. This is our newest store, and we are located in Jubilee Hills, in the most serene and beautiful location here. Our product line includes five to six categories. The main categories being furniture, ceramics, textiles, lighting, and decor products. We are present online as well, and anyone and everyone in India can order from our online stores as well. We deliver pan India, and service all the cities in India.